This week, we're launching a new feature in our staff logins that allow you to reset your password without having to make a call to the tech department. When you log into your computer, you will see this message. Click Enroll, because if you click Cancel, it will come up every time you log in until you actually enroll. You'll log in with your username and password just like you would when you're logging into your laptop. Then Enroll Now, down at the bottom where it says Click Here. From there, you're going to answer 2 security questions. You'll select those questions yourself. Put in your answers, and at the bottom of the screen, click Enroll, and you've successfully enrolled. You'll also receive an email that says that if you've forgotten your password and you need to unlock a locked account, you can do it on your own without calling the IT department. Then when you log in, if you need to reset your password, there's 2 places on the screen where you can click. You can go in, answer your security questions, and then access your data.